control your shoot, create the shot. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy Brandon. We are back. I am so stoked to be back, man. I have tried to just hit the ground running since I've been back. I am full of energy. My people is full of energy. My team is full of energy, yo. And we are just ready to rock, man. This has been such an amazing time since I've been back. I've met some people already. I thank you guys for the love and the, all the letters and emails and everything that you guys sent me while we were gone, man. But now we are back. It's time to grind and time to get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first video that we just posted not too long ago. I really want to thank you guys. Thank Indianapolis, my home, for helping out with that shoot. We had such an amazing time, but now it's time to get into the grind of things. And I'm definitely going to start doing a lot more PSAs, like public service announcements, and just some tips and some stuff to just really help out my photographers, because that's what I strive to do on my channel. My job is to help you guys, educate you, and motivate you all to become better photographers. And that is what my passion is. That is what my goal is on this channel. I get a lot of questions about, hey, can you do some editing, and can you do this? And there's a lot of more people on YouTube, definitely a lot better in editing than I am. I know what I know to what I need to achieve, but I don't do editing. My job when it comes to off-camera flash and lighting and posing and all of that stuff, that's what I'm here for. That's what my channel is all about, to get back to the basics of photography, to help you guys become better photographers. And that's what I want to do today. I want to just talk to you guys a minute about PSA, something that was really on my mind. I'm in Virginia Beach, so I get a lot of questions and a lot of requests from a lot of local photographers who ask me to come out to their shoot. Hey, can you come out? Hey, your presence will be welcome. Hey, can you sit in on my shoot? Tell me how I'm doing and everything. And if I have the time, absolutely. I like to go to people's stuff. I like to go out and hit the ground with these guys to let these guys know, we are people also, even though we have, YouTube channels and stuff. But I definitely like to get out with the locals. So, one of the things that I really picked up from the last few shoots that I attended was I found that a lot of photographers have problems controlling their shoots. All right. And what I want to do, I'm going to give you guys some 5 basic things today about coordinating and controlling your photo shoots. And that's something that's really near and dear to my heart, because when I go to a photo shoot and people who are with me, people who are following me, people who just want to sit in on my photo shoots, they see how I coordinate my shoots and things with my models. And I want to make sure that I get this out to the masses, because I see that this is something that some people kind of hiccup on. So without further ado, let's get to it. When you're coordinating a shoot, we're going to start all the way from the basics. So this part is going to be about coordination. So I'm gonna just give you a few things that I do. Model hits me up to do a photo shoot, or I hit a model up because I may have to do a review or something with the company and I need a model really quick. We got to go out. If I can't find any of my regular models, I have a list of people who are who's waiting to shoot. So I'll coordinate with them. So if you have an idea and you're getting with the model and you're saying, hey, let's do a photo shoot, especially if it's somebody that you haven't shot before and you're dealing with the first time, the first thing you need to do is start to build that relationship and trust with that model. The first thing people do, or models do, when somebody invokes them or asks them to shoot with them, the first thing they're going to do is check your page, check your work, and see what kind of work you put out and things like that. And that's the things that's going to catapult them into sending you that message or something saying, hey, I would love to work with you. And the first thing you want to do is build that relationship with them. Say, hey, hey, thanks for reaching out, and then tell them about the ideas you have, concepts. Sometimes it's okay to just go to a photo shoot and just get out there and shoot and get pictures. All right. I've kind of gotten away from that. A lot of things that I do now, I'm looking for more editorial type work. I'm looking for more concepts. I'm looking to bring a little bit more energy and dynamic to my channel. Tell the model about your concept. Tell them what your idea is. Start to build that relationship with them, and be consistent. After you have built that relationship with them and that trust and you told them about your concept, then it's a good idea to send them templates. Send them your concepts. If you have, pictures from, before, or you have an idea in your mind, send that to your model. So when I'm coordinating with a model way before the shoot, I say, hey, I have a few magazines that want me to submit, or hey, I have this idea that I want to do for this company or whatever. I will send a model about 5 to 10 different pictures or concepts or examples of what I want them to wear. I really never let a model just do something and just bring it to a shoot, because I am the creative director. It is my photo shoot. I am the coordinator. And that's the kind of attitude and mentality that you have to have in this business. And so a model will come back and say, hey, I love this concept. I love this and I love this and I love this. And that gives me an example of the type of shoots that she likes to do. Now I'm gonna be real with you. Some models are better at nude. Some models are better at implied. Some models are better at high fashion. Some are more editorial, some are more commercial. It just depends. A lot of times when I'm shooting with a model, I will go to their page and look at all of their pictures. And I can tell almost right off the bat if a model, has that expression, if she has that, that energy, that push. You can get all of that from all of their pictures. And that's one of the first things that I do. I look at them and I ask myself, I was like, what type of model is she? Do she really have the energy, the charisma, the dynamic? Is she, camera shy? Is she just posing? Do all her pictures look the same? I go through that and it gives me a better idea and understanding of what type of model I might be shooting. So that's one of the first things I do. So after I send her those concepts, she tells me what she likes. I say, okay, this is what we got. So once everything is set up and the concept is set up, she say, hey, I have this in my closet, or I have something like that or similar to that. Great. So the concept is done. After the concept is done, we set the time and we set the date. All right. And that's what I say is the date is in hand. Have a plan. All right. That is my motto. Once you get your date in hand, have a plan. It is extremely important to go to a photo shoot with a plan. Once you actually get to your photo shoot with your model and everything, have a plan. Go a little bit 10, 15, 20 minutes early, scope out the place, look around, see the environment, see the structure, see, you have to be able to see the poses everywhere you look. If you stand in the middle of a room and you look around, you should be able to say, that's going to look good with this concept. That's going to make for a dope pose. That's going to make for a dope pose. That's going to be dope. That's going to be dope. That's what I do when I go to a photo shoot. Especially if I go to a location that I've never shot at before, I'm always going early to see, okay, that's going to be dope. That's going to be dope. Okay, I got to stay away from that area. That's not going to look right. There's some pose right here that's going to stick up in the back of her head. I want to avoid those obstacles. The clouds and stuff look good over here. We got trees right here. We got a dumpster right here. We got a trash can right here. We got cups right here. We got paper right here. We got a light right here. We got a microphone. Whatever the case may be. So you have to be able to see these poses, when you're going to these locations. So that's one of the first things you need to do to control your shoot. So once you get there, the model, one of the biggest things that I have seen and this is my biggest pet peeve, not really a pet peeve, but I see this as a problem with a lot of photographers. Once you go to the photo shoot, a lot of times photographers just let models go. I still don't understand that. Sometimes in my shoot, I might get to a point, if I'm comfortable with the model and I know she's going to give me what I want, I might let her flow. And you might hear that in some of my photography tutorials or my videos. I might tell the model, just flow, because a lot of times models might get in the zone and they got something and they know the pictures are going to be dope. They will flow. Flowing means to sit and basically pose, and give you just a bunch of poses with whatever they're wearing right now, because they're in the zone. Once a model is in a zone, or your model can pose, sometimes I will let them flow. But other than that, I control the shoot. I am the creative director. A model is a canvas, all right? You are to mold and create that canvas. You are the one creating that shot. So it is not a good idea to just go to a photo shoot and just let a model just go. You have to pose a model. You're the one that's going to put a model in a certain position. You're the one that's going to look around and be like, okay, the clouds is good right here. The sun is coming up over here. I need to put her in this location because I'm using flash right here and I need to do this and whatever. And all of this whole thing, this whole concept, this whole thing, this whole composition is all on the photographer because you are the one creating the shot. A model cannot see behind them. They can't really see on the side of them. They don't know what type of creation or what type of shot you're trying to get. They are a canvas. So the better you learn how to control your photo shoots and create the shot, the better off you will be. Stop allowing models to just go to a photo shoot and pose and you're not getting the shot that you want because you're not creating, you're not directing. All right, but when a model is supposed to give you that energy, that excitement, that thrill, that passion, in their expressions, from head to toe. They're supposed to give you that excitement. They're supposed to give you that, that expression that you need in order to get that shot. And you are the one that should be giving them that idea of what expression you need for that shot. Again, photography is more than just taking pictures. You have to be a director and you have to learn to create the shot. Control your shoot, create the shot. All right. This is your boy Brandon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, guys, I need you guys to like, please. I need you guys to comment. Let me know if this video has helped you, and I want you all to subscribe so we can get this channel back up where it needs to be. I'm going to be dropping content like crazy. I got content built up and I'm just ready to come out and share. I've been going and it's popping. We are back. I can't wait. I don't care. It's going down. I don't think you guys are ready for this. I really don't. Are you guys really ready for this? Because I'm telling you, I'm about to bring it. Yo, before I go, shout out to all my people who's coming up on my next photo walk, Atlanta, August 28th. And then we got Charlotte, North Carolina on September 23rd. Yo, Charlotte, make sure you guys go get your tickets. If you guys don't have the link, hit me up on my Instagram, hit me up in the comments. The link should be posted on my Facebook. It's posted on my Instagram page. But if you need the tickets there, we still got a few tickets left for the Charlotte photo walk. So I can't wait to see you guys all. I like to get out there with you guys. I like to ground pound. I like to be out there shooting with you guys and getting these shots and sharing my knowledge, man. That's what it's all about. So if you guys ain't doing it, then you ain't doing it. And I hope to see you guys in Atlanta, August 28th. In North Carolina, Charlotte will be on your way September 23rd. Peace, love, and hair grease. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!